Kerala Tourism is stepping onto a new platform with its campaign, Human by Nature. Kerala has pristine beaches along the long coastline, the tranquil backwaters and the network of canals, and the mysterious mountains and forests. But beyond all this natural beauty, it's the people of Kerala who make Kerala what it is.
Human by Nature is a campaign that is close to the heart of Kerala. It is a campaign drawn from the everyday lives of ordinary people and the richness of our land.
Over the years, Kerala tourism had changed and evolved. We found that it was necessary to showcase to the world something more than the natural beauty of Kerala. So, in January 2018, we started thinking of a new campaign for Kerala tourism, which would showcase Kerala in a new perspective. For a new campaign, we did some research and analysis on the visitors coming to Kerala. During our research, we found that our visitors were attracted, or they found our human connectivity much more fascinating and enriching. We started with the culture of Kerala, the culture which goes beyond the manifestations of art and performances. We identified culture with the way of life of the people of Kerala, their daily life, how they merge with the nature around them, the deep connection between humanity and nature, its inclusiveness, the simple life and high thinking of the people of Kerala, its openness to ideologies and faiths, and the different terrains across Kerala, the seashore, the backwaters, the forests, the cities, and the villages. These make the backbone of our new campaign, Human by Nature.
To believe in fearless minds and tireless feet, to brave the raging seas every day and walk side by side with hearts that beat in time with the waves.
The deep human connection with nature created a new shift. The local people of Kerala became the heart of our campaign. I think ours would be the first campaign having travelers in the background. They merge with the surroundings, they merge with the local people and nature. They are welcomed and made a part of the land of Kerala. Once we reached this point, we knew that Kerala could own this human space in travel.
I am happy that we have created a campaign where the traditions, culture, and way of life of our people are celebrated along with the nature.
We have taken real people in their real terrain and real backgrounds and knit their stories in a beautiful narrative. That is what is the present Human by Nature campaign, for which our technical team and the creative team has done extensive research and groundwork in knitting this beautiful story, and which is what is getting a global recognition and global acceptance in setting a benchmark which is different from the cluttered tourism campaign which is happening right now. No wonder we have clocked 40 million views in just 3 months from the beginning of this campaign.
The marketing agency of Kerala Tourism, Star Communications, conceptualized the story behind the Human by Nature campaign. We identified Mr. Vivek Thomas of Miramar Films for the film, and also the photographer from New York, Mr. Joy Lawrence, to do the still photos. We had many rounds of discussions before finalizing upon the Human by Nature campaign. The teamwork of all involved in the making of the new campaign resulted in the beautiful film portraying the real life of the people of Kerala and the rare photos showing the human connection with nature. A story is unfolding itself with a message to the world, provoking new thoughts and showcasing Kerala in a new perspective.
At a time when destinations are using celebrities and brand ambassadors for endorsement, Kerala Tourism's new campaign has local people like fishermen, school children, boatmen and villagers as its heroes.
We are going to celebrate the humanness, we are going to celebrate the culture, heritage, and we are going to put human and nature side by side in these words, human by nature.
Kerala Tourism is going beyond advertising with the new campaign Human by Nature and is sending out a strong message to the world, connecting humanity with nature.
In some way, only the travelers, and only by traveling and interacting with each other and perhaps imbibing what is essentially human, can we take care of this world and nature. Somehow Kerala is the right place and has the right kind of a tradition to say something as beautiful as a human by nature.